So, is the Wood Ranger Weed and Lawn Trimmer actually worth your money? Here's the fast check. For small to medium-sized yards, honestly, yeah, it's a solid buy. It's lightweight, quiet, and way less hassle than dealing with gas, oil, and all that mess. You can even use it one-handed, which makes quick trimming jobs super easy. Performance-wise, it spins at around 18 to 19,000 RPM, so it's got enough power for normal weeds and edging. The 24-volt battery gives you about 2 to 3 hours, depending on how hard you're pushing it. What's nice is the interchangeable blades. Plastic blades work great for softer grass. Metal blades handle thicker weeds, and the saw disc can cut through light branches and rough overgrowth. It's also designed for comfort, with a rotating head and adjustable shaft, so less back strain. Now, a couple downsides. The plastic blades can snap if they hit rocks or fences, and the charger feels pretty basic. At around $130 to $200, especially when discounted, it's good value. Just don't expect commercial-grade power. Bottom line, great for regular home maintenance, not for clearing a jungle.